So this is the last year flagship phone of Samsung. Believe me, this little cute flagship phone gives the best hand feel ever. It's only 6.2 inch and it has the production of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It looks absolutely awesome for its cute form factor. Aluminum frame and minimalistic design gives the most premium vibe in the hand. And camera bump is not so huge and it increases the overall beauty of this phone. So today I'll be testing camera and video quality in a nutshell. So camera UI is very simple, all Samsung users know how much easy to use it. It's not so complex like Sony phones. You can get access all the features from the bottom portion. Now you guys are watching the screen recording of this phone. I'm capturing in main and 3x telephoto lens. Photo quality is mind-blowing and it should be, because it's a flagship masterpiece of Samsung. One thing I noticed in 0.6x portrait does not properly work, but 3x is the best. I love its 3x telephoto camera for portrait, although sometimes it takes a little bit time in switching, but works absolutely fine. Right now I'm recording in 4K 60 fps and this is a huge resolution, and in this resolution the stabilization is also better. You guys can see that I'm just walking with normal speed, and this phone can handle shakiness very well, and I'm just holding my phone in my hand, and I think that this camera is wide also. This camera can fit everything in this frame, and this camera can also handle dynamic range quite well. It's pretty normal because it's a flagship phone of Samsung, last year flagship phone. Right now I'm capturing video in 1080p 60 fps with Samsung Galaxy S20, and you guys can see video quality is much better, and details is noticeable, and you guys can see the color that camera is capturing. Let me show a little bit here. This is the opposite of the sun, and how this camera is handling light balance. Now I am recording in 4K 60 fps video, and you guys can see the quality. It's really very smooth, and there is no jitteriness. Let me walk a little bit. It's feeling like I'm handling a gimbal right now, but this is handheld video, and the video is so stable. You can zoom up to 10x into 4K 60 fps, and the zooming details and quality is much better. Right now I am recording in 1080p 60 fps, and you guys can see it's 0.6x, and light is hitting directly, but I think the quality of the video is quite well, and I'll be switching in main camera right now. I have switched, and if I zoom a little bit, right now I'm trying to switch in 2x telephoto, not actually 2x, it's 3x, and let me move a little bit, and the color of this tree is a little bit punchy, and color is so vivid, You can shoot 60 fps video with all lens, across all lens. I'll be switching in front cam and switch all lenses simultaneously. And I have not seen any jittery while I'm recording videos. I found it's very smooth because of its processor. Its processor is so high. It can handle everything well. You can see my subject. It's well detailed. Now I have switched into portrait mode. You can shoot 4K, 1080p in 30 fps. And you guys can see that portrait video is much better. And you guys can also understand how this phone can capture noise or audio. You can switch 2x in and 3x, and you can also adjust blur right now. Right now I'm adjusting, and it's doing pretty well. Right now I'm recording in 4K 30 fps, and you guys can see background is quite blurry right now. You can also adjust background blur in this resolution, and that is a quite helpful feature, I think, so far. It takes very good photos at night and works absolutely fine in noise reduction. Nighttime photos look very clean and sharp. I love its nighttime video recording. Video was very stable and clean. Check the rest of the sample for a better understanding. So that is the video. See you again. Till then, goodbye.